السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ومراها shirarkan la qabanayo ee diiniga ah kaliya shirarku kuma socdaan dadka muslimiinta ah oo kaliya qof kasta ee khayrka ilaahay subhanahu wa ta'ala wax ka siinayo ayaan rabnaa in insha Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala khayrka aanu gudbino. What's your name? What's your name? Okay. Is it the first time you hear about Islam? You read about it. Did anyone tell you about Islam? So how did you come to know that there is a religion called Islam and you want to accept it? Did you read? Did somebody tell you? Through friends? Okay, that's good. Okay, I will say words and I want you to say it after me, inshallah, subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Come close.
Come close to the mic. Okay, if you could hold this one, that would be nice. Yeah. Say after me. Ashhadu an la ilaha
أن لا إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وأشهد
أشهد
أن محمدا
محمد
رسول الله.
رسول الله.
I bear witness. Say after me. I bear witness. I bear witness that there is no deity worth of worship except Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. Oh, congratulations. So say Allahu Akbar. Barakallahu fiqh. So starting from today, you are a newly born baby, meaning to say that you have no sins in your past, you have no sins in your record. So starting from today, you're part of this big community which is called Muslims. Congratulations, welcome to the Islam. وجزاكم الله خيرا. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. So you can join. Sit down.